If you don't know how to use compressor and you still want to compress your vocal, then I got you. We're gonna use the Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor, and imagine your vocals comes with AI compressor. Super simple. Let's look at this. Let's check this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright, so guys, we are in FET Studio now, and we're gonna use this ad lib over here. This is crazy, right? So I'm gonna route this to the mixer track 2, as you can see. Now what we're gonna do is to introduce auto-tune first. Let's auto-tune these vocals. I'm gonna use auto-tune artists. Artists are doing great, but they have not sponsored this video. When it comes to best plugins, I mean auto-tunes and any other stuffs, artists are doing great. Now we're gonna set the key for this particular ad lib, which is G minor. So we're gonna change the scale to minor and the key to G. Super simple. If you don't know how to use auto-tune, I have a full video taking you through step by step. I'm going to push the routine speed a little bit up like this, give it a little bit humanized, and the input type I'm going to choose auto tenor. That's simple, guys. So now next thing I'm going to do is to create a reverb. So we're going to right click here and give it a color, then name it reverb. All right, next I'm going to choose the color by hitting here, hit accept once again over here. All right guys, so what I'm going to do is to introduce reverb over here. Let's go to reverb, then we're going to use the fruity reverb too. Super simple. Increase the room size, push the width a little bit. This is my settings. And how do you link these vocals to the reverb here? All you need to do is to click on the vocals, then we're going to click on enable send, then we're going to control the amount of reverb. Alright, that's crazy. Alright, let's check the auto tune and fix something. That's crazy. Now guys, it's time for you to compress these vocals using Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor. So we're gonna select the vocal track, then guys we're gonna use Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor, and I'm gonna show you how you can actually use this to compress any vocal. Simple. So first thing you need to do is to load it on that particular vocal. Then next is to select your input type, and I'm gonna stick to the auto tenor. Next we're gonna choose the compression style, then I'm gonna choose minimal. You can actually go for controlled or aggressive, but for the sake of this video I'm going to stick to minimal. Then the style, we're going to choose clean vocals. Next is to click on learn, and you can see waiting. After that, just play the vocals and watch here predicting. Alright, so guys, you can see this is crazy. It has given you compressor 1 and compressor 2, modern and Opto B. You can see the threshold over here, negative 7.5 dB. Then the ratio had been set for you 2.0. Then the knee, guys, if you are cool with this, all you need to do is to click apply. And now let's listen to this AI powered compressor on our vocals now. So all you need to do is to control this and that. That's crazy. That's super crazy. Now guys, it's time for you to consider the compressor types over here. So you can see we have the FET, which is best used for taming peak in the first stage of a serial compression setup. Then the next is Opto A, best used as the second stage compressor emulates a classic tube compressor known for its slow and warm sound. All right, so if you are going for a slow and warm sound, you can actually select this. Then we have Opto B. It emulates a widely used Opto compressor for vocals known for its slow Opto style, attacking and signature tube warmth. All right, then we have the modern, as you can see over here, best used in single mode. All right, so guys, these are the types of the compressors from Auto-Tune Vocals. Let's try and listen to them whilst we are playing the vocals. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. So we're gonna change. You hear the difference? Alright guys, so one thing I also love about this particular Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor is to enable the Auto-Tune pitch filter. When this is enabled, the side chain filter will automatically track and follow the fundamental pitch of the vocals. Alright, so listen to this, and this is gonna make our vocals more interesting. Crazy. Without it, listen. Now with it, listen. And one thing you can also get from Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor is to browse through presets. Now these are all presets coming from Antes. You can see if you are going for backing vocals, you can select female, R&B, classic. Guys, there are a lot. Mr. Clean, mic close up. Look at all these presets. Now let's consider this low end control. Listen. And also you can even browse through artist presets. Look at electro point, lead vocals. Then guys, a whole lot of presets are here for you to just click and you are cool to go. Gloria Kaba. All right guys, super simple. You can see female analog push, and we can also get male modern smooth, then smooth stage, or from the Antes Auto-Tune, or from Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor. This is not just to auto-tune your vocals, but also to help you, assist you in compressing that vocals. Now that you know how to use the Auto-Tune Vocal Compressor, then watch the next video. Know how to download free Auto-Tune plugins if you are beginner and you want to save some money. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.